Hi everyone, you are watching Math Tech 15. In this video, we will solve some question based on properties of inverse trigonometric functions. The first question is here, sine inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square equals to 2 sine inverse of x. The condition x is in between minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2. Solution. First we need to take here, let us consider x equals to sine theta. Because we need to observe the question, this one, it is in the form of 2 sine theta into cos theta. That's the reason x equals to, we need to consider as a sine theta. Then theta equals to here sine inverse of x. If sine is go to the left side, means it will become sine inverse of x. Now we will take left side here, LHS. What is our LHS? That is sine inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square. Sine inverse of 2 sine theta under root of 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta means it is the cos square theta. We know this formula. So I will write it directly. Sine inverse 2 sine theta under root of cos square theta. Square and root is get cancelled. Sine inverse of 2 sine theta into cos theta. So 2 sine theta into cos theta is again formula of sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta equals to, we know that one, that is the 2 sine theta into cos theta. These are all formulas we studied in the previous class, trigonometric functions. Okay, 2 sine theta into cos theta means is sine 2 theta. So sine inverse sine 2 theta. So sine inverse and sine you can now get cancel, this one equals to 2 theta. What is theta? Theta equals to sine inverse x. It's our RHS, hence proved. Hope all of you understood this one. In the similar way, the another one question. The same question, LHS is same as it is in the first question, sine inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square. But the thing is, the right hand side is 2 cos inverse of x. If it is suppose the right hand side is 2 cos inverse of x, means x equals to, you have to take as cos theta. Okay, let x equals to, we need to consider here cos theta. Then theta equals to here cos inverse x. Okay, now we will write the same as it is LHS. What is the LHS? Sine inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, sine inverse as it is. What is the x here? It is the cos theta under root of 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sine theta. We know that one. So sine inverse of 2 cos theta into sine theta. Why? Because under root of 1 minus cos square theta equals to under root of sine square theta, it will become sine theta. Okay, so again we have to apply the 2 sine theta into cos theta, sine 2 theta. It is multiplication, 2 into sine theta into cos theta. So sine inverse of sine 2 theta. So sine inverse sine is get cancelled, it came 2 theta. What is theta? Theta equals to a cos inverse x. So if whenever the RHS, if they give sine inverse of x, then you need to substitute x equals to sine theta. If it is they given cos inverse x, then you need to substitute here x equals to cos theta. We will move to the next question. Next question is here, show that tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 equals to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So here we need to apply here property, fifth property we need to apply. What is the fifth property? That is the tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equals to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. What is the condition for this one? X into y is less than 1. Okay, what is the x here? 1 by 2. We need to check this one. It is a 2 by 11. Okay, 2 is get cancelled. It will come 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is less than 1. So it satisfied the condition. So you can apply this property. This is the fifth property. This is the fifth property of the inverse trigonometric function. Okay, now I will write it here. Tan inverse of 1 by 2. This is the rough work. You check it out. Tan inverse of 1 by 2. Tan inverse of 2 by 11. I will take here LHS. Okay, now I will apply the property here. So tan inverse of, what is the x here? X equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Y is here 2 by 11. 2 by 11 divided by 1 minus 2 by x. 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. 2 is get cancelled. Tan inverse of 2 into 11 is LCM is 22. So 11 ones are 11, 11 plus 4. Here 1 minus 11, 11 minus 1 divided by 11. So tan inverse of 11 plus 4 is the, it's a 15. 15 by 22. 11 minus 1 means 10. 10 by 11. 11 ones are 11 twos are. So tan inverse of 15 by 2, 1 by 10. So 10 by 1 means reciprocal is 1 by 10. So 5 twos are 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Now tan inverse of 3 into 1 is the 3. Denominator 2 into 2 is the 4. Tan inverse of 3 by 4. So it's our RHS. Hence proved. Okay. We need to apply here the inverse trigonometric function fifth property. We need to apply this formula. Okay. Hope all of you understood this one. We will move to the next question. The next question here, express tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x in the simplest form. The x is in between minus 3 pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So we need to recall the trigonometric function formulas. That is the cos 2x formula. That is the cos square x minus of sin square x. It here half angle formula we need to write here. That is cos x equals to cos square x divided by 2. Cos x equals to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay, and sin x formula is half angle formula. That is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And another one formula is identity. That is the sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 equals to 1. Okay, now I will write the question here. Tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. Tan inverse as it is. What is cos x here? Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. 1 minus, what is sin x here? 1 equals to, we need to write this one. So sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 minus sin x equals to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, these are the set of formulas we need to remember. Half angle formula. After that we need to algebraic formulas also. A square minus b square formula. What is that one? A plus b a minus b, and another one is a minus b whole square formula, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Again we need to apply these two formulas. Now see here, in the numerator it is in the form of a square minus b square. A is here cos square x by 2 and b is here sine. So tan inverse of a plus b, that meaning is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, divided by sin square x by 2 plus cos square. You have to take, this is the a and this is the b, and it is the minus 2ab. Then cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So one numerator and denominator is get cancelled. What is left here? Tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Because one cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, in the denominator square is there, one cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 is get cancelled. After that, in the numerator and denominator you have to divide it by cos x by 2. So cos x by 2 is, it's a 1 plus sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It will become tan. This is also 1 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. So tan inverse of 1 plus tan x by 2, 1 minus tan x by 2. And we know that one tan pi by 4 equals to, the value is 1. Okay. So what we will do means, we will write like tan a plus b formula. What is tan a plus b formula? That is tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a into tan b. We will write it in the form of tan a plus b form. Okay, tan a equals to 1 is there now. We, instead of 1 we will write here pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1 equals to, we will write it as tan pi by 4. Okay, and plus tan x by 2 as it is. We will write according to this formula. So tan a plus tan b is over in the numerator, divided by 1 minus is already is there. If you suppose it nothing is there, means you need to take 1 into tan x by 2 is tan x by 2 only. 1 equals to here tan pi by 4. So I will just write here tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value is 1 only. 1 into tan x by 2, tan x by 2. Nothing will change. The equation is remain same. Okay, no, it looks like a tan a plus b formula. What is a here? A equals to here pi by 4 and b equals to x by 2. Okay, so we will write it as tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Tan inverse and tan is get cancelled. The answer is here pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is the answer. The simplest form of this expression is, the answer is pi by 4 plus x by 2. Hope all of you understood this one. These are the set of formulas we used here. These formulas. Okay, to simplify this one, you need to remember these formulas. Hope all of you understood this one. We will move to the next question. The next question here, write cot inverse of 1 divided by under root of x square minus 1 x is greater than 1 in the simplest form. This is also, we need to convert it into simplest form. Now just see here, 1 divided by under root of x square minus 1. We have one formula. What is that one? Identity. 1 plus tan square theta equals to secant square theta. Okay. So tan square theta equals to secant square theta minus 1. Now just see here, if you substitute x equals to secant theta, it will become secant square theta minus 1. So secant square theta minus 1 means it will become as a, it will convert, we will write it as tan square theta. So square and root will get cancelled, 1 by tan theta. Again 1 by tan theta is nothing but the cot theta. So we need to substitute here. Let us consider x equals to secant theta. So let us take here x equals to secant theta. So cot inverse of 1 divided by secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 means it is a tan square theta. Tan square theta. Square and root is get cancelled. It's inverse. So cot inverse of 1 divided by tan theta. Cot inverse equals to cot theta. So cot inverse cot is get cancelled, theta. Theta equals to what? X equals to theta means theta equals to secant inverse x. So answer is, the simplest form of this one is secant inverse of x. Okay. Hope all of you understood this one. We will move to the next question. Next question, find the value of cos secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x. So we need to apply here fourth property, that is secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x equals to pi by 2. I will write that one. Fourth property of inverse trigonometric functions, that is cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse of x equals to pi by 2. We need to apply this one. Okay, I will write the question. Cos of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse of x. So secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x equals to pi by 2. Cos pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 value we know that one, that's a 0. So answer is 0. Hope all of you understood this one. We will move to the next question. So next question is here, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square equals to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube 1 minus 3x square. You can apply here the property fifth also, tan inverse of x tan inverse of y equals to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This one property. Okay, you can apply this formula, the property also, tan inverse of x. Why you need to consider the whole thing, that is 2x divided by 1 minus x square, you need to consider it as y. So it will take a lengthy process. Here the right hand side it looks like one formula. What is that formula? Means tan 3 theta. The tan 3 theta equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Otherwise you can apply that one. Both are okay. So we have the one formula. What is that one? Tan 3 theta, that is equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, we know this formula. So we will use this formula and we will solve this one. So let us consider here x equals to, we will consider as tan theta. So theta equals to here tan inverse x. Okay. Now first I will take here RHS. Why? Because we will need to apply this formula. So I will take here RHS. What is our RHS here? Tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. So tan inverse x I will replace with the tan theta because we considered as x equals to tan theta. So 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, so tan inverse as it is, this formula will become tan 3 theta. Tan inverse tan is get cancelled. Answer is 3 theta. What is theta? Theta is equals to tan inverse x. 3 tan inverse of x. Okay, 3 tan inverse of x, we will split it as tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x. We know the 2 tan inverse x formula, that is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Again this formula, this property only, tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y equals to tan inverse of x plus y. Here y is also, we are considering x only, so it will come like this. Otherwise I will write here tan inverse of x, 2 tan inverse of x equals to tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of x. Okay, formula is here tan inverse of x plus y, x plus x 1 minus x into x. So tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. This is equals to 2 tan inverse of x. Okay, if you didn't understand this, this is equals to our LHS. Okay, hope all of you understood this one. In the next video we will solve the exercise questions. Okay, still you didn't subscribe the channel, means please subscribe the channel and share the videos to your friends. Thank you.